Hello, cat lovers and animal enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're stepping into the captivating world of cats, where we'll uncover some fascinating facts about our feline friends. So, grab a cup of coffee and your comfiest seat, because we're about to embark on a one-minute journey into the heart of Cats Unleashed. Our story begins in the cozy living rooms where cats make themselves at home. From there, we move to the vibrant cat cafes, where these furry creatures reign supreme. Following that, we venture into the sunlit gardens where these agile creatures showcase their amazing athleticism and grace. But cats aren't just physical marvels, they also have an enigmatic language. From meows to body language, they are masters of communication. And one thing that never ceases to amaze is their uncanny ability to always land on their feet, a trait they've had since ancient times. Finally, let's end our journey on a high note with a scene of contented cats, basking in the affection of their human companions. So there you have it, a captivating one-minute journey through the world of cats. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating animal content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.